Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on Oukitel G2. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar and Ampere. Now install the app. And now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Okay, and consent, and as you can see, my battery health is good. Now I can also swipe to left or to right to display all of the information in different themes. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.